Okay, for this video, I'm going to show you how to get ideas for any niche. So the first thing we're going to do is, let's say I'm in the weightlifting niche or something like that. So we're in the weightlifting section, and right off the bat, I'll show you a bunch of videos, but we're going to go to the recently uploaded, because all is going to be usually the popular videos. So we want to check at the recently uploaded, so we can grab some ideas from here, just see what's newly uploaded. So if your channel isn't quite built up yet and you don't have any videos, you can use the recent uploaded, or even scroll around Reddit to see what people are talking about, depending on which niche you're doing. If your channel is actually active and you have videos, it makes it a whole lot easier. So on my gaming channel, I can go to inspiration, and what this would do is it will give me a couple video ideas, and it will give an AI generated thumbnail. Sometimes the thumbnails are decent, other times, like right now, these are terrible thumbnails that I would honestly never use. But it gives some ideas based on what your channel is about. Like this one, reimagine classic maps from Modern Warfare 3 remakes. This could be a decent video idea. Going back and visiting the old maps of MW3. Glitch hunting, finding game exploits. That could be another idea. And it looks like this one is going with Ascended, which has a ton of glitches. I'm not even gonna lie, Ascended has tons and tons of glitches. Like, know them all. This is another Ascended video talking about the advanced alien technology, which Hulk has a lot of alien tech inside the game. So this is where you could get a couple ideas. Like I said, inspired by your channel. VO Gaming Co-op, Black Mesa in 7 days. I don't know why it would bundle both those games together. They're really not that similar. But I mean, this is an idea right here. I could do co-op for Black Mesa all 7 days. I don't think there is a co-op option for Black Mesa. But 7 days definitely has one. And here's a couple of thumbnail ideas it's giving. And just give you some ideas of what you could go for. Sometimes it also gives me ideas in the bottom corner. Yeah, like right here. This shows me outliers of videos that is doing really good. If you have vidIQ anyways, you would get this. If you don't, you won't get this. But as you can see, I can grab all kinds of ideas. And these are outliers, which means these are performing better than anything else on their channel, typically. So what that means is these are amazing video ideas, because these are doing really good right now. Zero Cal VO, now a perfect shooter. Intense VO shoot. Yeah, see, any one of these I could probably steal and probably get a decent amount of views from if I really wanted to. And this is an AI thumbnail, by the way. Guaranteed, this is an AI thumbnail that they use for this. And it got over 100,000 views. Again, this looks like another AI generated thumbnail. This one I'm not entirely sure on if it's AI or not. It could be. It could also be a mismatch of different games kind of compiled in there. This one's definitely not AI generated. At least I don't think. I don't really know. It's just a weird thumbnail. But this one's definitely AI. So I mean, you could easily talk about top 10 new games, or top 10. I don't know. It depends on your niche. Top 10 famous sports players, top 10 famous football players, top 10 workouts. I don't know. Just something. You could do something like that. I mean, top 10 new military war games, over 100,000 views with an AI generated thumbnail. So, I mean, these will give you ideas, but of course, your channel has to be to the point it actually has some videos going on, so it can pull. No competitors found. I definitely have competitors. That's a lie. Let's see what else we got here. I think sometimes also if you refresh the page, it will give you new ideas. Yeah, so it's going to generate me some new ideas here. Oh, here's one that I could do that I wouldn't mind doing. Warzone's anti-cheat. Is it working? Usually no. To be honest. So that was a video that I wouldn't mind stealing right there. Co-op VO Black Mesa. If there's a way to make Black Mesa VO, this would do really good, because I know a lot of people probably wondering if you can. I don't think it's doable, but maybe I'm wrong. Actually, this thumbnail ain't too bad. This thumbnail actually is not too bad, and stick Call of Duty right here. I'll just write Call of Duty or something. Oh, is it Walking COD? Next gen shooters. Yeah, I would actually... This is a great idea too. The thumbnail just isn't good. If you did this with one of those other thumbnails we just looked at, that would be a great topic. Let's check out my other channel, see what other things we can get. Alright, so we popped on over to my Airsoft channel. Okay, here's some good ideas actually right here. I already did this video, so that's... I don't know why it would give me this one again. I've already done that video. This is more of a gaming channel one, but you could reflip this and do creating the rarest card weapon skin in Airsoft or something like that. North Core 98, already did a review on that. Realistic Airsoft loadout for urban combat. Honestly, this would be a good video for this channel. Concept's Guide to Realistic Airsoft loadout for urban combat scenarios. Yeah, this would be a great video, actually. This would be a good video idea. I wouldn't mind doing this one. And I actually do have a kit that I could probably use that for. This is not an M249. Respawning in real... AI needs to learn how to spell. I'm surprised they even did the gun accurate. Usually AI can't do guns. Respawning with an M249 in real life. Let's get some new ideas. The future of Airsoft is gas battle. A lot of comparison between gas blowbacks and AAGs happens a lot. That would be a good one. The ultimate stealth Airsoft loadout. That would be a good one as well. Iconic movie blast on Airsoft. M14 mag load. Oh, field tactics. CQB, see that you can get tons and tons of ideas just looking through this. I'm getting tons of ideas. So once you have a channel like actually kind of set up, you can get tons of ideas. This thumbnail ain't actually terrible. I still would not use this though. I would replace these with actual IRL images. Like this looks more like a realistic image here actually. So more. See this is better than this one. You could just steal this text and stick it here. Because at least this looks like a real photo. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of ideas you can get. Let's see what we got for outliers. These have nothing to do with my niece. So outliers aren't going to work with this niece, obviously. But as you can see, there's plenty and plenty of inspiration ideas that you can get just from this. And even browsing Reddit. Sometimes browsing Reddit, like I could go into an Airsoft Reddit page and see what people are talking about, information-wise. So there's plenty of ideas that you can get from the inspiration tab, so I would honestly use this as much as possible if you're stuck on ideas. Another thing is keeping up to date with news and trends in your niche. So like the gaming channel, I started doing these Black Ops 7 videos, and this is literally like, this ain't even really an edited video. This just has gameplay in the background and I'm talking over it. Easy 500 views. Not even like any edits done, like at all. I just took some gameplay from this video right here. This ain't even uploaded yet. I took the gameplay from this video and stuck it in there. Here's another one that I just did not too long ago. Didn't do as many views, but hey, still, it's 300 easy views. And then I did a comparison video right here, almost 1,000 views. So I started doing these videos because this is what is trending right now on my niece. So just keep an eye on what's trending, keep an eye on the news and the inspiration tab, and you would do just fine. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.